Can you see this? Can you see my hair? Can you see? I bleached. I'm on my way Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cam, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on, it's not really a tutorial, but I'm going to show you guys how I bleach my closure to match my hair and how I curl them with Flexi rods. So yeah, that's basically it. You guys enjoy this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. It helps me a lot, and also like this video. Just watch till the end of the video so that you kind of understand the whole process. And yeah, everything that I didn't talk about in the video is going to be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that. It is very important, and leave a comment if you like it and other things that you want me to do. So yeah, I love you guys, so just watch the video. The hair which I'm going to be using today, I have 3 bundles of this two-toned hair, and I have a closure, so I'm going to be dyeing the closure to match my bundles. Fun fact is, I bought them on 2 separate occasions, so that is why I have to go through this whole process. I'm going to be using this 40 volume developer, and I'm just going to pour it into my mixing bowl. And then I'm going to take the bleaching powder. I'm going to take 2 spoons, and I'm going to put it into the bowl, and I'm going to mix with my brush. I'm going to lay the hair on, I'm laying the hair down on some aluminium foil paper, and then I'm just going to brush the dye into the bleach into the hair. This bleach is pretty effective. As you can see, it's already turning, so you just have to do that really fast. Again, I'm going to turn to the back, and then I'm going to do the back of the hair, and then I'm going to wrap it in the foil paper so that it could get ready, it could process quickly. So this was after 10 minutes. It was pretty fast because initially I was supposed to leave for about 30 minutes, but in 10 minutes it was already changing, so I had to wash it. To wash the hair, I used some baby shampoo and some Disaar shampoo. So right now I'm just washing the hair. I'm rinsing out the bleach, and then I'm going to use some shampoo and wash the hair. I did not have a toner to tone my hair afterwards, so it may look a bit orangey, but that's okay. It's going to blend. So after washing the hair, I'm just going to leave it to air dry, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I made the wig. For the wig, I'm going to be using this wig cap. I'm going to be using these cutters, my curved needle, and some thread again, and the closure. That's the closure which I just dyed. And finally, my bundles of hair. As you can see, they match perfectly now. So I have, and some pins. So I have a whole video on YouTube showing you how to do your wigs with closure, so I didn't want to include that here, but this is already after I have done the wig, and as you can see, my part is looking so good. So I'm just going to pour some oil into my hand, and I'm just going to oil the hair. I feel like bleaching makes it really dry, even though it wasn't dry, but yeah, you get the picture. So I'm going to use my paddle brush, and I'm going to brush out the hair. I'm going to use this bottle and some water. I'm just going to wet the hair and continue brushing it so that it's totally detangled and free. So I'm going to section the hair so that it's going to be really easy for me to just use the flexi rod, and I'm going to hold the hair with clippers. So I'm going to start by spraying the hair with some water, and then I'm going to brush it with the paddle brush, and then from the end I'm going to roll the flexi rod to the roots of the hair. So I'm starting from the end and I'm going forward. And after doing that, I'm just going to lock it in place by twisting the flexi rod. So I'm going to do that again for this second part, and yeah, so I'm just going to brush the hair. I'm going to wet the hair, then brush the hair, and then start from the end and roll to the front. So, and then twist to make sure that the hair is secured. So I'm just going to repeat this process to the rest of the hair, and then we are good to go. At this point, I'm going to set my hair with this hair setting spray I found. So I'm actually going to test it now. Yeah, but I'm just going to set the hair with it and then leave it to dry overnight.
What? Tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm going to wear my wig cap. Okay. I think we are good to go. So concerning these, I think I had to unravel it, but so you're just going to open it and then remove it. Going to open it up. This is difficult, so you're just going to unroll it carefully, and I'm going to finish everything and come back to show you how it looks. So I'm basically going to do the reverse of what I did in the beginning. I'm going to start from the front and then roll backwards to the back. I don't know if that makes sense, but you see what I'm doing, so that's all we need to do. So let me be sincere, I never even believed in flexi rods, but can you see this? She's beautiful. So let's take this comb. You want me to do like I'm just going to use my comb, and then I'm just going to comb out my curls so that they can be bouncy. They have the bouncy effect. I don't know if that makes sense, but yes, I'm just going to comb out my hair. Right now, I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. First, I'm going to use a razor, and then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to use my edge control and my toothbrush, my old toothbrush, and just lay it down. And that's it for today, guys. So this is how I bleached my closure to match my bundles, and yeah, that's it. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Till my next video, guys. I love you. Stay golden.
Give me some accolades. I need some accolades. Give me some accolades. I need some accolades. Give me some accolades.